Good morning, dear students. Today, once again, we are solving the exercise 17. In this, up to the question number 9th, we have completed in the previous session. Let us start with the question number 10. Question number 10th is here. The question is, in an isosceles trapezium, show that opposite angles are supplementary. Okay. So, which type of quadrilateral is this? It is an isosceles trapezium. So first of all, we have to draw the diagram for it. This is our isosceles trapezium. A, B, C and D. Okay. So in this isosceles trapezium, if you remember in the first session, we have learned the properties of isosceles trapezium. What are the properties of isosceles trapezium that we have learned? The two sides are parallel to each other and non-parallel sides are equal. Okay, and also we have learned that the base angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and also these two angles are equal. Okay, this thing we have learned in the first session. Okay, now our question is, we want to prove that opposite angles are supplementary. That means we want to prove that angle A and angle C are supplementary angles. Also, we have to prove that angle B and angle D are the supplementary angles. Okay, that means we have to show opposite angles are supplementary. Clear? So, first of all, always we will write the given part of the question. In the given, it is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. These are the given things to prove. So here we want to prove that opposite angles are supplementary. That means angle A and angle C are supplementary. Angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. And also we want to prove that angle B and angle D are 180. Got it? So these are the two things that we want to prove. Now let us start with this. Can we say angle A and angle D are supplementary? Angle A, angle D are supplementary angles. Because of what? They are the corresponding angles. Okay? They are the corresponding angle. Angle A and angle D. But angle D is also equal with angle C. Correct? But angle D equal to angle C because of it is an isosceles trapezium. Got it? Now let us replace this angle D with angle C. Angle D is replaced by angle C. Got it? So therefore what we get? Angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. The first part is proved. And similarly we can say that angle B and angle D is also equals to 180. Correct? So both of the parts are proved. Only this much matters. So students, draw the diagram and write down this solution in your notebook. Next, we are solving with the question number 11. We will solve it with the discussion only. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. What kind of quadrilateral is it? AC is equals to BD and AC is perpendicular to BD. Means they are discussing about the diagonals. Diagonals are equal and diagonals are perpendicular. That means it happens only in the square. That means first answer is square. Second, AC is perpendicular to BD but not equal to it. That means diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other but they are not equal. That means it is a rhombus. Okay. And third, AC equals to BD but AC is not perpendicular to BD. So once again, AC and BD, that means diagonals are equal but they are not perpendicular. This is the characteristics of rectangle. Okay, already we have discussed it in the first session. Now, question number 12 we are starting with. Prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It is question number 12 we are solving. This is the parallelogram P, Q, R, S, and these diagonals are intersecting each other at the point M. We want to show that the diagonals bisect each other. That means we want to prove MS equals to MQ, MP equals to MR. Okay. So first of all, we will write the given part of the question. It is given that quadrilateral PQRS is parallelogram. Okay. To prove, we want to prove that MP equals to MR and also MS equals to MQ. Got it? So let us take a proof. Okay. So to get this proof, can we say these two angles are equal? Which type of angles are this? As it forms Z. So that means it is an alternate angles. Correct? And similarly, these two are also equal. Again, these two are the alternate angles, right? And SR equals to PQ. SR equal to PQ. That means opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. So therefore we can say that these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Since the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are congruent. Hence, MS equals to MQ, MP equals to MR will be proved. Okay. So let us start again. We will take a triangle SMR. In triangle SMR and triangle PMQ. PMQ. These two angles, X angles. These two angles are equal. MSR angle MSR equals to the angle MQP. MQP. Correct? Also, Y angles. That means angle MPQ equals to the angle MRS. MRS for both. The reason is what? They are the alternate angles. And SR equals to PQ. They are the opposite sides of parallelogram. And therefore, we can say that the triangles are congruent by ASA test. Therefore, triangle SMR is congruent with the triangle PMQ by ASA test. Since the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. MS equals to MQ, MS equals to MQ, and also MP equals to MR. The same thing we have to prove over there. Okay. So it is proved by corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Okay, hence proved. All of you understood this question? Okay. Now, let us start with the next question. That is question number 13. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal length, are of equal length, the parallelogram is a rectangle. Prove it. Question number 13 we are solving now. It is given that one quadrilateral is there. Its name is supposed to be A, B, C, D. Okay. And it is given that diagonals are equal. Means length of AC equals to length of BD. So we want to show that this quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram, is a rectangle. Okay. So let us write the given thing. It is given that quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. AC equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. To prove, we want to prove that the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. If we want to show that it is a rectangle, that means we have to show that it contains the property of rectangle. And what are the properties of rectangle? As usual, it is a parallelogram. That means it will follow all the properties of parallel. Other than that, the extra property is each angle is 90 degree. Correct? Diagonals are equal. It is already given in our question. So we have to prove that each angle of this quadrilateral is of 90 degree. Hence, it is a rectangle. Correct? So to show this, we are going to take a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle BBC. Got it? ABC, BBC. These two triangles we are going to take. Okay. Already in the question it is given that AC equal to BD. This thing is given in our question. Then this BC is the common side for both of the triangles. BC equal to BC. This is the common side, right? And AB. This AB is equals to CD. AB equals to CD. The reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. And therefore we can say that the triangle ABC congruent to the triangle BBC by using SSS test. Correct? See, if the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that angle ABC equal to angle DCB. Angle ACB equal to angle DBC. ABC DCB. We will take the angle ABC and DCB. Means these two angles we have taken, and we have shown that these two angles are equal because by using corresponding parts of congruent triangle. They are the corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Correct? But as we can see, these two are the consecutive angles, adjacent angles. Therefore, sum of these two angles is 180 degree because it is a parallelogram. So we know that angle ABC plus angle BCB is 180 degree. And the reason is consecutive angles. of parallelogram. Therefore, x plus x 180. X plus x will become 2x. So 2x is 180. Therefore, x is 90 degree. Understood why x is 90 degree? 2 is in multiply, going that side goes for division. So therefore, if x is 90 degree, therefore what we can say? Angle ABC and angle DCB are of 90 degrees. Means these two angles are of 90 degrees proved. This is 90, this is also 90. Correct? If angle B is 90, then angle D is 90 because it is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Also angle C equals to angle A. Again same thing. Correct? So that means each angle is of 90 degree, hence it is a rectangle. So remaining part I am writing here. So therefore angle ABC equals to angle BCB, which is x, and the value of x we got is 90 degree. Got it? So therefore ABC means complete angle B, complete angle C, also angle B equal with angle D. Angle C equal with angle A. Each angle is of 90 degree and therefore quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Understood everyone? So please write it in your notebooks. Okay. So after this 13th question, we are going to solve the question number 15. Question number 15 we are going to solve. Now see what is our question here. In a parallelogram ABCD, once again, since the diagram is not given to us, we have to draw the diagram according to the question given to us. What they are saying, ABCD is a parallelogram in which E is the midpoint of side AB. E is the midpoint of side AB. Correct? This is the point E and AB come midpoint A. Okay. Then second thing that given us, and CE. CE. Let us join this C and E. CE bisects the angle BCD. BCD. It is the angle bisector. That means these two angles are equal. Okay. Then prove that. We want to prove. Given you will write your own from the question right now. Then given yourself to prove. So here we want to prove three things. The first we want to show that AE equal with AE equal with AD. Second we want to prove that the second thing that we want to prove that DE bisects angle ABC. And third, that is angle DEC is right angle, means it is of 90 degrees. Okay. So let us start the first thing, proof. AE equal with AD. We want to show this AE equal with AD. So for that, come to this triangle EBC. Okay. If this is X angle, can we say this is X? Right? Because these two are the alternate angle. This X, this is also X. Or instead of X, we will give the numbers so that it becomes easy to understand. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Angle 1 equals to angle 3 because they are the alternate angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 are already equal. So that means angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Okay. Let us write it. First of all, we can say that angle 1 equals to angle 2 because angle bisector. Correct? Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal because they are the angle bisector. C is the angle bisector. Angle 1 and angle 3 is equal because it is alternate angles. Correct? So according to these two statements, in both statements there is an angle A. That means angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 2 equals to angle 3 from 1 and 2. Let it be 1 and this is 2. So therefore, in the triangle EBC, if angle 2 and angle 3 is equal, that means it is an isosceles triangle. In the previous session, we have learned that if in the triangle two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal, or we can make a converse of that. If two angles are equal, then corresponding opposite sides are equal. Correct? So that means if in the triangle two sides are equal, then also it is a isosceles, and if two angles are equal, then also it is an isosceles triangle. So in this triangle EBC, in triangle EBC, angle 2 and angle 3 is equal. Correct? If angle 2 and angle 3 is equal, that means it becomes an isosceles. So which two sides are equal? The opposite side is EB. Therefore, we can say that EB and opposite side of angle 3 is BC. EB equal to BC. The reason is isosceles triangle. Let it be 3. Name it as 3. Correct? But this BC is equal with AD. BC is equal with AD. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Correct? And EB equal with EA. EB equal with EA. Because E is midpoint. Understood till here? Because of the isosceles triangle, these two are equal. Since it is a parallelogram, BC equal with AD and also AE equal with EB. Now see, we want to show AE and AD are equal. AE, this is AE, correct? AD, this is AD. We want to show these two are equal. But these two are already equal, that we have mentioned in third. AB and BC are equal. Already we have given in third. Correct? So from 3, 4 and 5, we can say that AB equal with AE from 3, 4 and 5. Understood this thing? Okay. Now these two and these two are equal. It is proved. Okay. So first part we have proved. Let us start with the second part. Please write it in your notebooks. Okay. Now we will start with our second part. See, we want to show that DE bisects angle ADE. ADE. DE. Join this DE. Okay. We want to show that DE is the bisector of angle ADE. Correct? So let us take these two triangles ADE. Take this triangle ADE. ADE. Already we have proved that AE and AD are equal. AE equal with AD. It is proved in the previous part. This part. AE equal with AD. Correct? So what we can say now, if these two sides are equal, then angle number 4 and angle number 5 are equal angles. Correct? Angle number 4 and angle number 5 are equal. So therefore we can say that angle number 4 equals to angle number 5. Reason is isosceles triangle. Let it be 1. But angle number 6 and angle number 5 are also equal. Angle number 6 equals to angle number 5 as they are the alternate angles. Correct? So in both of this, angle 5 is there. It means angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. Angle 4 equal to angle 6 from 1 and 2. So therefore, if angle 4 and angle 6 are equal, therefore what we can say, these two angles are equal. So when these two angles are equal, if DE is the bisector of angle ADC, therefore DE bisects angle ADC. The second part is also proved. Okay. Now we want to prove the third part. Okay. Let us prove the third part. Please note it down in your notebooks. Let us prove the third part. In the third part, we want to show that DEC is 90 degrees. DEC is of 90 degrees. Okay. Now, up to this, we have proved that DE is the bisector, C is also bisector. Prove हो चुका है. So that means these two angles are equal. Also, these two angles are equal. Correct? Because they are the which type of angles? Corresponding angles, or we can write it as YY. Bisectors are this, correct? So these two angles are equal. It is already given, and these two, yeah, X. This is also X. This is Y. This is also Y. Because of the alternate angles that we have proved. Okay. So let us write this angle ADC. Angle ADC is 2x. ADC, x and x, 2x. Similarly, angle DCB is 2y. DCB, y and y, that is 2y. But these two are the supplementary angles. Angle ADC, angle DCB equals to 180 degree. Reason is consecutive angles of parallelogram. Correct? So we know that ADC is 2x, DCB is 2y. Dividing the whole equation by 2, we are getting x plus y 90 degree. Correct? If x plus y is 90 degree, now come to this angle AED, angle DEC, and angle ECB. 1, 2, 3. These three angles are on a straight line. That means their sum is 180 degrees. Okay. Now angle DEC, this angle DEA plus angle CEB is of 180 degree. Reason is angles on straight line. Angles on straight line. Okay. So here DEA and ECB. DEA is X, ECB is Y. Angle DEC will remain same and it is X. This is Y is 180 degree. But we know that X plus Y is 90 degree. Already we have calculated it. So angle DEC plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Plus 90 going that side will become minus 90. At the end, angle DEC equals to 180 minus 90. And 180 minus 90 will become 90 degree. Got it? This is the third part is proved. Got it? So students, remaining we will continue in the next session. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.